Hello everyone, let's make this hat. It's a project I did last week, so I decided to make the tutorial to share with my lovers, my subscribers, and everybody who comes across my video. This is Cruchella Crafts. Welcome back. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. And I really want to appreciate those who always comment on my videos. Thank you. Continue commenting, liking, and sharing. The class begins now. In today's class, I want to show you how to make the fascinator you saw. I want to make it black, obviously, as you have seen, but it's blue I got. That's why I got this spray paint. All right, spray paint, black. Obviously, we need a net. We need this bias, glue, glue gun, Alice band, needle and thread, matching one, and yeah, that's about it. So let's start the process. We're outside now, I cannot spray it inside. So before you spray, shake it and start to spray. If you can, wear gloves on your finger. I don't know where my gloves are, so I'm going to do it without, but it will eventually fade out. When you start spraying it, saturate it very well. You might have to do like first coating, second coating, and third coating, just to be sure that the original color of the hat is not seen. Then in between the first and second coating, in between the coatings, you sun it or let it dry, or put it under the sun, whatever you have, all right, so that you can coat it well, first time, second time, third time, so that the blue will not be showing again, or whatever color yours was originally will not be showing again. So this is after spraying, and so what you will do is when you spray it, if you use that spray paint, it dries very fast. Okay, when you spray it, leave it just in an airy place or under the sun to dry. Less than 15 minutes or so is dry. Okay, so I'll get this veil net. Okay, just pick somewhere in the middle, fold it, a little bit of fold, that's it. You see, then place it here. You can use a pin. I hope it's clear because everything is now black. You can use a pin and pin it down. Be careful not to scatter the shape of your hat. Then you move further a bit, pick it again, fold it like so. Let me show you what I'm doing. See the hat? Then you just fold it small. Then you pin it again. So you continue the same process, folding and pinning on both sides. When you're done with one side, you go to the other side until you exhaust the entire net. So looking at it, I'm done pinning it, right? You see the way it looks. See the way the up looks. So all the places you pinned, you're going to get a tiny thread, a tiny needle, sorry, and start sewing. I'm using a very small needle to do this. And the thread here is supposed to be like a single thread, so it doesn't really show. So you start sewing it until you exhaust all the places where you pinned it down, and make sure it's firm. So make sure your thread is just a single thread, so it's not visible when you look at it. After sewing that, so you see this place where the net started. It started here and ended here, right? So this gap, we are going to put the Alice band there under, so that the sewing will be covered by our embellishments. All right, so this is the spot, so I slant it like so and attach it there, place it there, use needle and thread and sew it. So I'll trim this thing off. All right, then I'll use glue. This glue is a new one, so open it. Apply it on it, on the, so that it does not move. Then the next thing is we use this trimming. This is a very simple fascinator. Oh, hat, sorry. Fascinator hat. Well, so get the midpoint. See how I do it. I get the midpoint like so. So this is the midpoint, right? This is where I want it to terminate. So I'm going to start from here to place it. When you place it, you have to figure out how to do it to be very flat. So I will use my glue. It is this trimming that is going to cover the rough edges of the net. So with this kind of glue, you will let it dry a little, or you apply some sort of breeze on it. Then neatly cover it like I'm doing. So see what I've done to the fascinator. I've finished it. See how I eventually placed it. All right. I gave it this shape just to make it different. Then whatever is left, I gathered it here and pinned it down. I haven't sewn it. So just use in out sewing and sew it. All right. That's how I did it. Okay. Does it make sense? All right. Then the next thing I do is to get sequin beads, or they are flat actually, or sequin stones or beads. I don't know what it's called, but they are just flat. I forgot to show it in details in the picture, so in the video, so that you see what I'm doing. But I get it. I use my glue, apply on it, and then scatter it randomly all over the net. All right, so that to give that effect, those black dots on the net. Okay, so that's what I'm actually doing here. Scatter it evenly. Though make sure it's evenly distributed all over the net, especially that side that is going to be falling out of the net, not the side resting out of the hat, not the side resting on the hat. Hope that makes sense. So this is what the finished fascinator hat looks like. It's a very simple one to make. The only thing had there is just to spray. So spray, follow the method, and you are going to get this. But if you get the hat in black, then you don't need to spray. Or if you get it in the very color you want to make it in, you don't need to spray. But if you don't, go ahead and buy your spray paint and spray. The spray paint is not that expensive. I bought it about 1,800 naira. Okay, so enjoy the work. Please subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and share and like. If you share my video, you have a very good space in my heart. Thank you for always supporting me. Bye. See you in the next class.
You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done.